Welcome back to my channel, and today is April 24th 2023, and we do this every Monday. We look into the market and we look at the areas we can be buying and then position our buy orders immediately. But before we come down to this chart, let me quickly show you what happened and what may actually trigger, and is a very important information that you should also keep in mind as well. Now you look at this lady, her name is Marian Altman, and on the 14th, this was on 14th April, she said, I advise caution during this eclipse season of April 19th to May 5th for all financial markets. Now she
From April 19th until May 5th, we have eclipse season, and if you don't remember what happened last eclipse season in October, November, that was the whole FTX saga. And then the eclipse season before that, in May of last year, was Celsius and the fallout from that. So during this final eclipse season in this part of the zodiac of Taurus and Scorpio, I am expecting some final contagion or some final loose ends to be tied up, specifically around FTX. And in preparation for this, I will be using crypto.
No, you see that she actually predicted the market sometime of the eclipse season. She predicted of lunar crash and the FTS collapse, and they all came to pass. It is a prediction, not like she analyzed them. Meanwhile, she also did the same thing again for the financial market. So let's look at the cryptocurrency market. This is cryptocurrency, total cryptocurrency market cap, right? So you look at it, this is 18. So on the 19th, the market crashed this way. Look at it here. Look at it. This is 19th. And the market crashed. Doesn't mean that she is right. Of course, her prediction went right, but that does not really determine your fate in the market, or that doesn't mean you should leave or run from the cryptocurrency market. Market has always been swinging, is up and down. The market has never maintained up, has never maintained down. It has never remained at the top and has never remained at the bottom. But the decision you make that will make you a profitable trader here is by your buying positions you make before all these things. So if you buy at the top, definitely you should be losing your money. So understanding when to buy and how to buy, your strategy to buy, is very, very important. So on this channel, I make it as a decision to make sure that I simplify trading in a way, cryptocurrency trading in a way that even an old woman should understand that trading is not difficult. It's just that a lot of traders will come and use a lot of terminologies and grammar to confuse a lot of us. If we can use a simple language and our mother tongue to interpret charts, it's very, very easy, and also preach for a long time. But because cryptocurrency is not just a currency that people just trade. Of course, the volatility in the market gives the opportunity to trade in, but however, they are more of an asset that appreciate over the years. If you go down to check the history of these cryptocurrencies, you understand. And now in cryptocurrency, the chances of you losing your money is also high. So you also need to be very careful while trading the cryptocurrency, because you can lose your money to shit coins. A lot of people lose their money to shit coins. People lost money to Luna. Now there's a coin recently that did over thousands of profit, and that is Pepe. Someone bought Pepe with it's a meme token. It's not like it has a use case. It's just a joke token that is created to make fun in the market, just like Dogecoin that gave birth to all these ideas. Now here is the coin. This coin turned $250 in 4 days to $1.something million in the market. This was before it got listed on CoinMarketCap. All right, this is 24 hours ago, so it's not quite long it got listed here. So if it's on 24 hours ago, you click, sorry, I'm not logging in. So if you quick check now, you see the market has actually dropped. So who didn't sell then must should be losing money. So we cancel so many zeros for you to meet up with that. But that will be a topic for another day, how to calculate that. And if you have looked into all this, you should be able to know that the same way this coin pumped, it's still the same way, it can still go with your money. So being careful is more better, all right, in trading. Of course, you should know what you are doing and mind who you follow. Not everyone, most persons come here to give you coin to buy, but I think they should also teach you how to fish out the coin yourself, and that is one of our primary purpose for this. So let's dive into the Bitcoin market. I know we'll make it very simple and quick. All right, so this is 1 hour candlestick. Remember, this means that each of the candlesticks here represent 1 hour, and the market is absolutely going down. All right, so this is 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour. For the past 1 hour now, we are going down, and it use speed to drop. So if we check on 4 hour, let's look at 4 hour and see what happens. Oh, my network. You will see we are also going down after having this consolidation area where market is actually ranging this way, and the ranging market is indecisive market, so you also need to be careful because you don't know if it's going to go up or it's going to go down, right? So when you see a ranging market just like this place, once you see a ranging market this way, you need to be very careful. You don't need to just jump into trade and predict it's going to go up, all right? Because if any factor, a news can actually strike, just like the news that pushed the market. This should be 19th or thereabouts. Yeah, this is 19th. Look at it. It's showing at the bottom here. So you see, on the same 19th, this same thing happened. Why Bitcoin got to 31, there about 31,154. Then we are trading at 27, right? From 31 to 37. So that's a very big loss for those of us who didn't sell on time. Although I sold at this level, this was the level. I know I sold somewhere here. Yeah. So you see, it's very, very important. So you see another ranging market happening right here. But for the past 4 hours, we've seen that the candlestick here is still bearish. So let's go down to 1 day and look at what it's going to tell us. So the story the candlestick tells us it better for us at the moment as you are seeing the market. All right, so we are still bearish. So if you actually check a trend line here, if you draw a trend line, sorry, from here, you know it has broken, so we're maintaining, we are going down. If we draw a trend line here and run here, you see that we have broken this one, except you're going to draw a trend line from here. But any trend line you're drawing from here will still cross down here. So we have broken the trend line. So you also need to be very careful because the market looks like it's going to go more deeper. So without further ado, let's go down to 1 month and see what the 1 month is also going to tell us. Because for the past 3 months, the market has maintained uptrend. Look at it here. So for the past 3 months, the market has maintained uptrend, and getting to this 4th month is beginning to down because it has crossed the opening price of this market. So it opened at this place, but look at the opening price and look at the current market price. So it's not really looking healthy at the market. So when you look at these things in the market, we can also apply indicators to know what we should do as well. So let me apply MACD. Apply MACD, but this doesn't necessarily mean that they tell you exactly what will happen. MACD, I'll apply MACD, yeah, and then I'll apply RSI, relative strength index. So now let's look at what MACD is telling us. Now, if you're a long-term holder who is planning to hold Bitcoin for the next bull run, you start buying now, because you can see that our MACD line has not been able to cross the signal line. Once it crossed the signal line, we have entered the bull run. I repeat, I say the MACD line has not crossed the signal line. Once it crosses the signal line, we've entered the bull run, and I'm very sure of what I'm saying. So looking at it here, you can see that our MACD, it hasn't crossed a signal line, and at the same time, it looks more healthy for those buying for a long time, not for traders. So we'll bring it down to 1 day and look at what you are going to see on the MACD. Now, at the 1 day, you've seen that our MACD has crossed the signal line this way. Once it crosses up, look at it. Once the MACD crosses up, it shows you the market is going up. Look at here. You look at here. See, it's the same place, right? The moment it crosses down, you notice it crosses down. The moment it crosses this way, the market is actually showing you a bearish market. So since we've crossed this market crossed here, we've been on a bearish market. So we all need to be very careful. So in as much that 1 month to 3 months are looking healthy, like you can hold All right, this is for long time. So this is for 1 month. So what happens in the space of 1 month? It might reverse back, but for now it might dump down to even to 21 to 22, looking at the MACD according to the story the MACD tells us right now, right? So from each day you come down to check, maybe you will go to work, and each day you come down to check the market and the MACD is looking this way, it shows that the market is not healthy for you to buy. Okay, it shows the market is not really healthy at all for you to buy. So you can go back and check 1 hour to check again and see what is going to tell you. So if you check in 1 hour candlestick, it has just been passing all around, giving you this is meaning that it's just in a ranging market. And I remember I said in a ranging market, you also need to be very careful because you don't know what might strike the balance. I mean, the balance of the market to go up or to go down. So you have to be very, very careful at this place. But there is a method I use to trade. I will show you my method, how I used to trade. Meanwhile, let me remove this indicators. I'm sure you've learned something from these indicators, right? Let me remove the indicators. My network is bad. Okay. So see how I should buy this market if I'm you. First off, use support and resistance, which is more important than anything, because after we hit 31k resistance, if you look at it very well, it's a support level. Let's draw this now. Yeah, look at it. It's a support level. Look at it. This is a very strong support that you should have sold without being told. You should be aware that you're supposed to be selling. So let me look at this. Let me clone this now. I want to duplicate. I'm not getting it right. Don't worry, I'll bring it again. So look at the area you should be buying. Look at, if you have followed my analysis I did last week and I posted it on Facebook, I said Bitcoin is going to drop to 27. Now, why I say 27 is the next support level where you should count first. And once you drop at this level here, you need to buy. Now, let's say you have $30,000 you want to buy, split it into 4 or 5 and start buying gradually. Now, look at it here. I'm going to buy because I'm a trader, I'm not holding for a long time, right? So I'm going to set my buy order here. Once this is few, I will set it again within this range. All right, from here to here you can set again, then you can set another one here, then you can set the next one here. All right, you can just set it this way. All right, so in case the market continues going down, but remember this has been the least it has dropped, because if you check here and here, you notice that this is a very strong support level and this was the last place Bitcoin got to. So definitely I doubt it is going to break it, but in case anything happens, because you don't owe the market, we are coming down to this level. All right, this within 11, 12 or thereabout. But in case it doesn't get, meaning that we might be here till we enter the next bull run. So there is more opportunity. Just remove the fear in your mind. Trust me, you can make money, provided you are trading with the money you know you can hold for a long time. Then you don't need to be scared, because you're trading a potential coin that the chances of you making money is there. So even if you don't sell now, you can sell next year. So you always have it in mind that long time is more profitable than the short term chase you're always looking at the market. If you can use this strategy, trust me, you're going to make a lot of money. Now let's look at the coins that we called before now. All right, so the first coin we called on our group, our WhatsApp group, is ZIL, and we sold at, let me look at, it's coming up. This network needs to be fast so that we don't go. Look at the level where we sold. We sold within this price, 335, yeah, 0.035 to 0.036, and currently is at 0.033. And tomorrow is the big announcement that we should be expecting from the ZIL network. All right, so look at the level where we sold, then look at the current one that we are supposed to start selling by now, is this market. Even in the midst of that dump, with this, the market we've called is still on profit. Yes, because we called it earlier. Now, the market we called is still on massive profit. See, we bought this coin at this level here. This is the level where we bought this coin within this range. Yeah, this is the range, and within this range, this is the range we bought the coin. And look at it here today. All right, so we've announced that you can start selling, because if you look at it, we already at the resistance point. Okay, we already at the resistance point where anyone should start selling. So we've announced in our group this morning. I actually give the announcement that you can start selling. You should be on profit. You don't need to be greedy. All right, you can sell profit, you can remove capital and keep profit, or you can sell all. You use your money and do something. So this is how we trade. We don't usually trade the entire market. We look at the ones that have fundamental futures, and of course maybe there is news, maybe there is event, or maybe there is new future coming up, anything at all, then we add it up, then we move. This is how we have been trading the market, though we expected this market to get to this level. Yeah, look at the level we actually expected to leave the market. Sorry, here, this is where we expect to leave the market. All right, but from here already, something you bought from here, you should be on profit. So this is the one you are really giving out. So, but this is at the market. I mean, this is the ones we called last week, and we've made profit. So we'll be looking at some potential coins again this week, and we're going to enter the market as well and see if we can squeeze out some profit again. And on this channel, we are not here to preach you're going to make 1 million, you're going to make 10 million. No. My name is Gibeni. I am here to tell you the legitimate way you can make money, and to be honest with you as well. I am not here to hype anything or to shade anything, but rather to be plain and honest that even what I am doing, you can as well do them. So I'll be dropping my link below this video. Follow me on social media handle. Do like and subscribe on this particular YouTube channel, and always wait, ask questions, drop any market you want us to look into. Always drop it at the comment section. Any question you want to ask about blockchain, use the comment section either on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, or YouTube. Always drop your question. We are always available to attend to you anytime. I'm always available to attend to you. All right, so the goal here is for us to grow together and make money together. See you again in my next video, and my name is Gibeni. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.